A very warm good evening to one and all. As we all know that the whole world and India is suffering from this coronavirus pandemic. And every day we are losing people. We are losing our close relatives. In these situations, the political parties are still not stopping their politics. Therefore, it becomes necessary to bring the truth in front of you all. Ladies and gentlemen, yesterday, the Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi, Shri Manish Sisodiya ji, in a press conference stated the following.
मनीष सिसोदिया की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस है और उस कई चीजों के बारे में जानकारी दे रहे हैं मनीष सिसोदिया, दिल्ली के उप मुख्यमंत्री।
किस दबाव में उसने अफगानिस्तान को, बांग्लादेश को, अरब देशों को ये 6.5 करोड़ की वैक्सीन अगर हमारे देश के लोगों को लग गई होती तो लाखों लोगों की जान बचती। और जब मैंने ये सवाल उठाया तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी महाझूठ बोल रही है कि हमने ऑर्डर नहीं किया। ये 1 करोड़ 34 लाख का ऑर्डर है हमारे पास और भारत सरकार की रेस्ट्रिक्शन है कि आपको केवल 3,50,000, 3,59,000, करीब 3.5 लाख वैक्सीन ही मिल पाएगी। पहली बात तो ये कि भारत सरकार, केंद्र सरकार हमारी जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार है, उसकी दिलचस्पी इस बात में ज्यादा है कि विदेशियों को वैक्सीन मिल जाए, विदेशों में ले जाके वैक्सीन बेच दी जाए। अपने राज्य अगर वैक्सीन खरीदना चाहें तो उनको फिर केंद्र सरकार कहती है नहीं, आप जितनी मांग रहे हैं उतनी नहीं मिल सकती आपको।
Ladies and gentlemen, oxygen is very essential. It is the medicine for this corona pandemic. And the point which has been raised by Manish Sisodia ji to some extent is very true, that oxygen is very essential. But he forgets something. Kindly see what yesterday happened. The Delhi police on Friday raided the popular Khan Chacha outlet in Khan Market and recovered almost 100 oxygen conciliators a day after another restaurant in Lodi colony was busted. After searching the resto bar, one person found sitting with a laptop taking orders for oxygen conciliators via online or searching premises. Some 32 oxygen conciliators of 9 liter and 5 liter were found along with the boxes of thermal scanners and N95 masks. I think this is not correct. Mere allegations in itself are not a fact. They have to be proved. Now, in order to resolve the problem, more oxygen for Delhi, French company says delivery of 21 large oxygen plants ordered by Delhi government will start next week, each unit with 24,000 liter capacity of oxygen supply. These are the oxygen conciliators. Ladies and gentlemen, the court was also observing these situations, and in this the court stated, we direct the state to immediately take steps and release the equipments. Ladies and gentlemen, the next point which was raised by the Deputy Chief Minister is under what pressure India exported vaccines. Here I would like to mention that there is an alliance called Gavi Alliance. The Alliance for the Vaccine. It states the Vaccine Alliance. You can see. In this, the Vaccine Alliance, it is an international alliance. Here, it has been stated that in India, in 2014, India became the first implementing country donating Gavi $4 million over 4-year period from 2013 to 2016. Following which, At the Global Vaccine Summit on 4th June 2020, PM Modi pledged US dollars 15 billion US dollars for Gavi 2021-2025. Under this, it is that the company which will manufacture the vaccine, it has to export 50% of it. And we exported. We exported to several countries. We exported to Afghanistan. We exported to Mauritius. We exported. Myanmar we exported. We exported to Nepal. We also received. We are receiving. Here to note that we only exported vaccines, but now we are gaining what we are receiving: respirators, oxygen concentrators from Israel. The second consignment of medical aid arrives from Israel. Now, Mr. Manish Sisodia ji stated that they are not getting what they asked. Here, 2,383 metric tons of liquid medical oxygen delivered 43 minutes ago, PIB. Another point which is stated that कि सरकार अपनी चमक बढ़ाने के लिए एक्सपोर्ट कर रही है. अब ये देखिए. Thank you India and Prime Minister for providing COVID vaccines to Canada. Similarly, thank you India Prime Minister Narendra Modi, WHO Director General Tedros states. The Prime Minister, the President of Brazil states, Namaskar, Narendra Modi ji, Dhanyavad Bharat, and see, India is donating vaccines to Brazil. Now the point which is being raised that why India is importing vaccines. Why India is importing vaccines. I will see that we all know WION, an international agency. Under this, in an interview, the Gavi spokesperson told WION Siddhant Sibal that India would receive between 190 to 250 million fully subsidized doses of COVID vaccine as approved by the COVAX board. And when it has been stated, in December 2020, the COVAX board agreed that India would receive approximately 20% of the total doses available to AMC, eligible countries through the COVAX facility, estimated at between 190 to 250 million fully subsidized doses. So, mere allegations, as I have stated, are not true. And as far as Manish Sisodia ji is concerned, the vaccines, they are being delivered, the oxygen concentrators are being delivered, but it is also the duty of the Delhi government to not to do black marketing. Otherwise, these scams, these are scams. They will not stop. So please don't do this. And every government, be it the central government, be it the state government, they are responsible for these situations where we have reached today. We have reached at the situation that every house has a corona positive. It becomes very necessary to take certain steps. And it also becomes our responsibility to remain at home. We don't have any problem with the political parties, but we have problems by their acts. What they did and what they are doing. People are dying lack of oxygen concentrators. And here we see they are being black marketed. They are being stored. Please don't do this. Don't do this.